Meet the Viaterra Kruger Pro riding pants, our most advanced motorcycle touring pants yet. Proudly designed and made in India by Viaterra. Built for riders who demand the best, the Kruger Pro is shaped by the three pillars of protection, comfort and functionality, and is made for those who want to travel the world on two wheels. Protection is at the core of the Kruger Pro. Large SuperFabric panels cover the key abrasion areas at the knees. SuperFabric is a specialized material with micro-ceramic plates that make it highly resistant to abrasion and cuts, while staying flexible. And the Kruger Pro features wrap-around panels that significantly improve slide and abrasion protection. Protection is further enhanced by a layer of 500D genuine Invista CORDURA, again, global go-to material for gear that requires tear and abrasion resistance below the SuperFabric. The areas around the SuperFabric panels and abrasion areas at the hip and seat feature dual-layered panels of the same 500D CORDURA. To improve durability further, the high-stress zones adjacent to these areas have been reinforced with 600D Oxford and Ripstop fabrics. The Kruger Pro riding pants come with a full suite of SAS-TEC CE Level 2 armor. SAS-TEC is a German brand specializing exclusively in the development and manufacturing of body armor and has been a leader in this space for decades. The SAS-TEC CE Level 2 Type B armor at the knees offers more coverage than Type A variants. The pants also include SAS-TEC CE Level 2 armor at the hips, and to further improve protection, a SAS-TEC tailbone armor can be inserted, which is sold separately. When it comes to such a critical aspect of your protective riding gear, we make sure that no compromise is made with what's inside the Kruger Pro pants too. Long rides demand comfort, and the Kruger Pro delivers on this with a special focus towards Indian riding conditions. Generous ventilation is critical when dealing with warm riding weather, and the Kruger Pro has large strategically placed mesh panels on the front, sides and rear of the pant to maximize airflow. Even the armors used in the Kruger Pro feature perforations so that no area is blocked out. On the bike, comfort is also improved by the pre-curved design of the Kruger Pro pants. Whether you're throwing your leg over to get on or off the bike, or riding more dynamically, the large one-piece stretch panel at the crotch works together with flex zones at key points to hugely improve mobility. This also makes it easier to walk more comfortably when you are off the bike. A combination of adjustability further assists in fine-tuning the fit of your Kruger Pro pants. A heavy-duty micrometric ratchet closure, Velcro adjusters at the waist, dual cinch straps on each leg, and Viaterra's proprietary Bootflex system. We created Bootflex to make it easy to get a good fit over any type of riding boots, since these can often vary significantly in terms of size and bulk based on brands, type, and rider preference. A strategically positioned stretch panel works in combination with the long zipper and adjustable Velcro hem closure to make it easy to not only wear your riding boots under the Kruger Pro pants, but also secure your pants comfortably over them. Several other features of the Kruger Pro pants also demonstrate its touring-first design. The two large water-resistant cargo pockets don't just offer generous storage, but have also been positioned at an angle so that they are easy to access even while seated on the bike. The silicone detailing on the pocket flaps make it easy to grip and open the pockets even when your hands or gloves are slightly wet. Details like these are spread across the product, with leather panels at the inner knee for better tank grip, well-placed 3M reflectives for improved low-light visibility, spring-loaded zippers that stay shut even when you may not pay close attention to them, and a 180-degree YKK connector zipper that is compatible with Viaterra jackets, offering a stronger and more durable connection to hold your protective gear together. These riding pants are made for motorcycle travelers who make no compromises.